Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to claim a player in ESPN Fantasy Football app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the ESPN app on a phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on My Team. Now tap on Players at the top. This will take you the list of available players. You can filter by free agent, position or team to find exactly who you want to claim. You can also use the search bar, type the player's name. When you find a player you want, tap on their name. This opens their profile where you will see stats, news and add or claim button. Tap add to submit a claim for that player. If your league uses a waiver system, your claim may process later depending on waiver priority. After claiming, check your My Team's page to make sure the player is now on your roster. If the claims hasn't processed yet, you will see it in pending moves until the system adds them officially. And that's it, you have successfully claimed a player in ESPN Fantasy Football app using a phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.